Hello guys, this is me, Anton, and I am going to show you our new tablet and Temple Run Brave on our tablet. Now our tablet is just finished charging, so I'm just going to play for 5 minutes or lower. Now this is our tablet. Oh my, no damage for a percent. Now, if you want to destroy to beat your friends' high scores, you need to be fast and smart and brave, like in the movies. And now I'm dead again. Sometimes you don't understand why sometimes you collect 1000 coins, then later on it's just 387. That happened to me to me yesterday, but now I didn't even, I just collect it, and yesterday it was just 400 when I left the tablet, and now it's 1282, and you won't get it. Super tricky, but it is super fun to play with, so you can, and that is why I am still playing it even if it cheats. And like they say, don't give up. Ooh, a wasp. Now if you're going to hit one of those, the one that you just need to click it, then you can, then it's hit. That's it. She'll hit it. And every time you see that sign, it means that you're going to hit one of those targets. And I just died. Now this is the store. Gotta buy up all. Now you can, there's only one character, and it's that you need to unlock, and it is King Fergus, and it is 500,000. But there are other outfits in here, like the royal gown in Merida's favorite dress, woolen covering outfit, tartan safeguard outfit, shadow armor outfit, quilted raiment outfit. And this is for the changes of the colors of the coins. If you unlock the first one, you get the red, and if you unlock the first one, you can you just you activated it. Now if you want the red coins, you need to buy another one. Now if you want the blue coins, which is what I am collecting for right now, you'll need to pay up 2,500, like here, 2,500, and my money is just 1,833. So I'm just going to play the second game, and it's goodbye. And so if I ever help you on this game, please like and subscribe. If you want to unlock the power-ups, you need to buy it first. And each power-up is 250. Stay tuned for my next video, Dragon Story. I mean, my Dragon Story in this tablet. This is my first time that I am recording in my tablet, using my phone and with my tablet. So wait for my next video. Search Dragon Story in YouTube, and in its name should be Anton Gonzalez. Thank you for watching.